Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. In my videos I used to do cartoon designing or character designing, but in this video I'll draw something different. Actually not different, I'll do the same cartoon designing or the character designing, but as you can see here on the canvas 15 number is written. I'll design a cartoon out of this 15. So this is my first experience, though I have done this cartoon designing on various objects or some shapes, but here I'll do for the first time. So without much ado, let's get started and see how the character is coming out.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So I have taken the text and wrote 15 a number over here, and on that I can't draw, that's why I'm decreasing the opacity and I'm taking another layer over that layer, and I'll try to make the nose over here first because that is the first thing I can see. So I'm trying to make it a little thicker, and that nose is done, and I'll go for the eyes, and here two eyes are looking nice on it. So after doing this I can clearly visualize the character and I'll go on with it. I can add the cap maybe over there. Let's see, let me complete the ear first, and I need to add some hairs over here. Okay, so I'll put a line across to make a cap, and then let me do the thickness of the line. Yeah, this will look fine. So this is a rough only, and I'll do only the rough lines right now because I need to discover or find out the character on this letter. So later on I can do the cleanup, it's very easy. So finding out the character is difficult. Hat or the cap is done, so I need to connect the hairs with that line. So this is the way I used to do. My old subscribers can relate this. So I need to extend the line, but need to see how the jawline will look, because I'm thinking like this, instead of putting a mouth I should put a mustache. That will work, it seems. So let me place it and see. Yeah, it is looking quite good, so I will stick with this. Now the body, need to see how the body will look on this face. Maybe fatty character. Let me check once. The first aim of this drawing is that I should find out the character first, because if I'll go for the features or accessories or something like that, then it will not work because I'm in the practicing mode. If I want to see some character in some object or letter or number, then I need to find out the character first, how it is adjusting with that object or numbers or letters. So that is the first thing you need to find out. You need to figure out the character in that particular letter or object, whatever it may be. Okay, so now roughly you can see my character is ready and I am happy with this. So next I need to place the hands and see how it will look on the body, because first of all the thing is clear. The 15 number which is written over here, that is getting into a character, that already I have done. So the lower part I can do whatever I like. So for the simple tutorial I have done this, or else I could have done little exaggerated character. Maybe in further video we can do that. And now I am doing the darkening of the line, because it will compensate the number. I hope you have understood how to do these type of drawings, and you should do, because your visualization power will increase a lot by doing this type of exercises. Taking anything you can see in front of your eyes, you can take it and try to design your own character. That is a very good exercise you can do at home in leisure. So I think I'm doing the border line right now, so let me do the fast forward and see how it will look at the end. Okay. So here, as you can see, the character is done out of the number 15, and I hope you like this character. You can also do your own character and send me in my Gmail ID, that is rkart83@gmail.com, and we'll see who are doing nice out of these. Okay, this is only a practice, so you can also include in your exercises that every day you can take one object or any number letter and draw a character out of that. In my upcoming videos also I will try to draw these type of characters and upload those videos to get inspiration or to get the idea how I am drawing, and we will slowly do the animation part as well. So that's it for today, and I hope you like this video and new topic. And if you like this topic, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon hitting to all. So take care and bye bye.